Today, I'll show you how to import a Canva email design into Klaviyo seamlessly. If you have ever designed an email template in Canva and wondered how to get it into Klaviyo without much fuss, you're in the right place. This tutorial will guide you through each step, ensuring you have a smooth transition from Canva to Klaviyo. So, let's dive right in. First, make sure you have your email template ready and open inside the Canva editor. It's essential that your design is finalized because any changes after this point might require you to repeat the export process. Having everything ready helps streamline the workflow and saves you from unnecessary backtracking. Once your template is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Canva toolbar. Here, you'll find the Share button. Clicking this button will open a menu with several options. It's your gateway to connecting Canva with various platforms, including Klaviyo. After you click Share, you'll need to scroll down through the menu options. Keep an eye out for a section labeled More, or, depending on your interface, it might say See All under the Apps section. This is where Canva lists all its available integrations, making it possible to connect with a variety of services. Now, in this list, you need to search for Klaviyo. Canva's integration capabilities are quite extensive, so typing Klaviyo into the search bar will quickly narrow down your options and bring it up for selection. Once you locate Klaviyo, go ahead and select it from the publishing app list. At this point, Canva might prompt you to log into your Klaviyo account if you haven't done so already. Make sure your login credentials are handy to avoid any delays. Once logged in, Canva will begin the process of exporting your email design directly into Klaviyo. While Canva handles the heavy lifting, it's a good time to ensure you have all necessary details ready for finishing touches in Klaviyo. This includes any subject lines, preview texts, and recipient lists you plan to use. Having these elements prepared will make the setup process in Klaviyo much smoother once your design is imported. After your design is successfully transferred to Klaviyo, you'll likely want to preview it within the Klaviyo interface. This is a crucial step to ensure that everything looks exactly as you intended. Sometimes, minor adjustments might be necessary due to differences in how platforms handle design elements. Take a moment to review your design and, if needed, tweak any sections for optimal clarity and impact. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can transform your creative designs from Canva into fully functional email templates within Klaviyo. This integration not only saves time, but also ensures your email marketing efforts maintain the high-quality design standards you set in Canva. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your digital toolset. Happy designing and emailing!